health experts, clinical psychologists, nutritionists, and is actively supported by the cardiology faculty. We offer 3 specialized programs in psychotherapy, nutritional counseling, and physical exercise program. The cardiac rehabilitation program is offered in 2 phases. First is the phase 1 as inpatient program, and it starts as soon as the patient has the cardiac event and is admitted with us, and it ends when the patient is ready to go home. During this, we educate the patient and his family. Phase 2 is offered as outpatient but is hospital-based. It starts 2 weeks or more after discharge, and we ask the patient to enroll themselves in the cardiac rehab program, and there's lifestyle management, monitored exercise program, dietary counseling, psychological assessment, and stress management. We have a structured questionnaire which is used to record all the information, all the relevant data, including the demographic data, the risk factor profile, physical activity pattern, and also we do their psychological assessment, and all this data is preserved. Most of the patients and their attendants are shown educational video, which I'm going to talk about in a while. They're given booklets and other relevant material on heart health, and they are asked to have a regular follow-up after 2 to 4 weeks. Now let's talk about our booklet, which is designed to disseminate information on heart health, and it has information in very simple Urdu language, and it's jargon-free so that the common man can understand it. The booklet is also adopted by the Pakistan Cardiac Society for countrywide distribution, and we have